Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're diving into how to add a bank card to your phone or digital wallet in 2025. With the rapid advancements in mobile tech, adding your bank card has never been simpler or more secure. Whether you're using Google Wallet, Apple Pay, or another popular app, this guide will have you set up in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your device and digital wallet app are up to date. In 2025, most phones run on the latest OS versions that support enhanced security features like biometric authentication. Open your digital wallet app. I'll use Google Wallet as an example, but the steps are similar across platforms. Once you're in, look for the Add Card or Payment Methods section, usually found in the Settings menu. Next, you'll need to enter your bank card details. This includes the card number, expiration date, and the CVV code. Don't worry, these apps use top-notch encryption to keep your info safe. After entering the details, the app might ask you to verify your card. This could involve a small test transaction or a code sent via text from your bank. Go ahead and follow the prompts. Once verified, you can customize your settings. For instance, set up biometric options like fingerprint or Face ID for quicker access, which is a big deal in 2025 with improved AI-driven security. If you have multiple cards, choose which one to set as your default for seamless transactions. Pro tip: always double-check that your app is from a trusted source and keep an eye on your bank's app for any specific requirements. This not only ensures security but also helps avoid any hiccups. And there you have it. Your bank card is now added and ready for contactless payments. This simple process can save you time and make shopping a breeze. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.